Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Jared and Braxxton. It's a beautiful Sunday, so thanks to him for volunteering his time on a Sunday. And what we're going to do is, it actually snowed last night. It's kind of wet and heavy snow. It's not like big fluffy stuff, but it's super wet. And I thought what we would do is give a really quick demo of this V-Plow, because about a week ago I shot a video comparing the V-Plow to a standard straight blade. We didn't actually demo these because there was no snow back then. And that video's done really well. So I'm like, let's do a really quick demo. We're not going to put a lot of time on this. Now keep in mind, the ground is not frozen. We are still, this is the second snow of the year. We did plow the other day. It's pretty cold out today, but it is warming up a little bit. So be mindful that we're going to probably pick up some debris. It's probably going to look, I hate how it looks the first couple plows of the year, just the nature of it. So keep that in mind. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you up and down the long driveway, because I think that's going to be the best way to show you how the V-Plow works. I'm going to do one swipe right up the middle, and then I'm going to angle it left, I'm going to angle it right, and then that way we can see how the angles work. And then I'll find somewhere to scoop real quick. So let's get to it. I'm going to center this thing right up the middle. And the plow shoes, not quite sure where they are. I think I can feel the plow digging a little bit. I might want to go up a little bit more with it. Trying to keep some of the weight from tearing up the blacktop, or the millings. You know what's funny is I'm only in two-wheel drive right now. Let's stop and look back and see how it's doing. Oh, this is doing amazing. I'm only in two-wheel drive. I'm gonna put it in four-wheel right now. Dude, that's doing amazing. Holy cow. I didn't anticipate it to do that good. This is incredible, Braxton. Look at this. I thought it is kind of icy, actually. We have a good base already. And I was only in two-wheel drive all the way up that grade on the ice. And that's incredible because all the weight was on the front. There wasn't a lot of weight on the back, but it definitely, and you can see how wet and heavy the snow is. Like, it's not light stuff. It's like perfect snowball material right now. So that is super impressive how that V-Plow, and it's wider than the machine, right? So even like a full V, I'm not running the snow over. It's kicking it off the side, really nice. Dude, that's insane. I did not anticipate it to work that well. Whoa, this is so cool, you guys. So I'm gonna hop back in. I'm gonna work my way up the driveway, and then we'll angle it and come back down. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna kick the left wing out because I'm done V'ing and I wanna send all this snow toward this pile over here on the right-hand side. So as Braxton's filming here, keep an eye on that left wing. I'm gonna work it up so it's more of a straight blade again, but it's angled. So we're gonna angle it over toward that pile of snow. So Braxton's got a good angle right here. And I am so impressed with how good that thing is working. That's insane. We're gonna go left wing out. The wing is going out. I can see it down there. Hopefully you can too. That is so sweet. That left wing just went out. And now I'm pushing the snow right over here to this pile. And as I go into it, like a pickup truck, I can pick up on it. And now with the controller in my hand, I can put this thing in reverse so much easier. And I can back up. So I'm gonna do it one more time with him. I'm gonna keep it already angled. If I go left wing out a little bit more, I see there's a little bit more there. I'm gonna drop it down. Let's put it in forward first. In low range, you guys always have to use low. And so we're gonna go down with it. Trying to steer here. And then as I approach it, I'm gonna start to pick it up. That is so sick. Okay, so what we're going to do next is I'm going to show you the scoop. I'm just going to take a little bit of snow here. We're past where the driveway typically ends, but we pushed the snow so far back to start the year just because by the end of winter it's all the way back to here. It's a huge pile of snow. So what that means is I'm going to start here, and because my left wing is already out, I'm going to take the right wing now and push that one out as well so I can scoop the snow and just kind of push it forward then off to the side. So keep an eye out for the scoop action right now in this next shot. So right here, we're going to take a right wing and we're going to match the left wing. We're going to scoop it. And so, I don't know if I want to scoop it quite that much. Let's take this other wing out just a little bit. So we're going to go in forward gear here again. Go down a little bit more with it. So now we should be gathering all that snow. You know what, I'm going to push it all the way to the end just because you can see, like I said, how much we use these big piles. You can see it right there gathering. I'm going to get out and we're going to look at it before I bury it up on that hill. Okay, Braxton said the gimbal might have spun, but what we're trying to show you right here is look how much is scooped. So obviously the V, you saw it further down the driveway, how much it was shedding the snow side to side. But look off to the side. Brax, like look, it literally collected everything, and we went like a good 30 feet, and it's got all of this snow right in the middle. So if you're trying to do 2 passes at the end to clean your driveway up, that is going to save so much time. It's not dribbling off the edge and you're making 6 extra passes to catch it. But that is insane how well this scoop just worked. Yeah, show that side there too, Brax. Look, there's no snow that rolled off the edge anywhere down through there. So I'm gonna finish burying this up into the pile. I just wanted to stop and show you how much I'd actually scooped already. Okay, last thing we're gonna do for you guys is we're gonna angle the snow at maybe a little higher speed down the driveway here. So I've still got it in the scoop formation because I just piled it into that thing down there. But what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna angle it off to the side, just like a straight blade but angled. And I'm gonna come right down through here and throw it toward these cones and we'll see how it does. Let's do that now. Okay guys, that's going to wrap this video up. Some news and notes, some important information here at the end. So I had the heater off that whole time that we were plowing because of my in-cab stuff. I didn't want the volume to be thrown off by the extra noise of the heater. So as long as you have a cab on yourself, as cold as it is outside, it was really nice inside there. So having a cab is important. Heater is second, but I am blown away with how good this plow works. This is our first time having a V-Plow on a side-by-side like this. And this new U10 chassis is totally strong enough. I was in two-wheel drive on accident, I didn't even know, on the initial push up this ice, and it didn't even spin. It's kind of like an uphill grade as well. So, and it's wet and heavy snow. So the V-Plow works great, the angle works, the scoop works great, and then you can come around these corners and push it off the way you want to. Now we use a big push box here because this is 11 acres. We got to plow for semis. So, but if you guys were just in your driveway, we went down and back with filming in 11 minutes. It is so simple to do this. I would highly recommend this system. This is Jared and Braxxton from 3Cs. Enjoy the ride. We'll see you in the trail. Also, if you guys don't mind, if you use our Amazon links down below in the description, that really helps us out. So if you're going to make the purchase on a V-Plow, if you could get to Amazon, if you could click on the description, pop it down, click on those links, and as long as you get to Amazon, no matter what package you choose, it certainly helps us out making these. So we would appreciate the support.